Behind me you'll see Newhaven Fort. I used to work there back in 1983-84. I was in charge of the place as a wee boy. I was about 16 when I was put in charge. Whatever happened, there's an entrance down there somewhere. Customers used to come in, go out, but it's all overgrown, you can't see it anymore. I might go there tomorrow or the day after, go and have a look at the place. See how it's getting on. Here's a beach, you can't get down to it anymore. Great beach this, what's happening? Warning to the public. It is dangerous, forbidden to jump, dive or swim within the Newhaven harbour limits. What? What's going on? Apparently it's French. The French have banned us. Oh, that's not very good. We've got a big fort in Newhaven here, protecting our country, and let the French let us not use the beach. What the hell is going on? I think it's the French, what I read on Facebook. Let's walk all the way up there, wave all the way up there, up the top bit. I used to walk up there, waves splashing up and everything. Need to climb up them cliffs over around there. We are at Seaford. There's a sunset on the back of Newhaven. Newhaven over there. Show you I'm spending the next 2 nights. Follow me. Park on the seafront. Park in 12 hours, free. I think 12 hours would be plenty. So on the Airbnb it says 30-second walk. I should time myself, but I think it might be more like a 1 minute. But I won't argue about that. I won't ask for a refund. Can't see that very well, but we're at Beachy Head, just near Respawn. I'll take you to the cliff edge. Well, not a little. Chat. I'm going to take you near the cliff edge. See all that, there's lots of birds down there in the sea fishing. I don't know why there's nobody here. Maybe the cliff's falling down. I'll let you know. Anyone who covers this file, you know what's happened. I can hear them birds. Must be a lot of fish in that bit. Up here, Beachy Head. You sit down, look, admire the view. Goes on this unofficial path. Looks like a shortcut. Go back and tell Keiko saw dolphins and everything here, because she won't come along. I think this is the actual War Memorial where I'm at here. Yeah, World War II, 1939 to 1945. Tributes 110 aircraft for the Royal Air Force on the command. There you go, a bit of history. Remember them. A couple of plaques. Members of Beachy was a major operational route outbound from the United Kingdom. The airmen of the Royal Air Force Command were taking the war to the enemy, to the skies above the enemy, and paid the terrible price the war demanded. And off they flew. Wow. See on the camera, but obviously I can see a lot better, I'm afraid. It's good for me, I know, but oh, it's a bit chilly up here. It's been warm all day, but it's still chilly here. There's the lighthouse, if you can see it. The fish, the fishing boat there. Fish, all them birds catching fish. Let me just stick this up here. That's me. Walk back. There we go. I'm actually in a pub car park, so just get back before they say you're not meant to be parked here. You've got to pay for parking everywhere these days. Natural places, naturally formed, you've got to pay for parking. Whose idea is that? It was natural. Stick a sign up, £5 parking. Yeah, there's a pub there if you want to go to a pub. Nice walk, burn up the calories, finish at a pub and get a pint and a burger. Sorted. Then go for another walk.